Today we're looking at part number TPU5019, the 6-inch oval 24 LED flashing strobe marker light. This guy's super bright. He is sure to catch attention to anybody. They will know you're there whenever you have this light. It has your standard 3-prong plug on the back, so just easy to connect. It's plug and play, so this guy will just flash. You don't have to do anything special, just plug it in. And we'll take a look at it real quick. This is what it does right here. You can buy these online at trailerpartsunlimited.com or give us a call at 844-898-8687 or stop by our store here in Huntsville, Texas. Thanks.